Here's how to check to see if your ignition coils are still good. I'm doing this on a 2001 Suzuki Hayabusa. All you'll need to do this is a multimeter in your ignition coils. I've got a video on how to get to this part of the bike on a spark plug change video that I also will link below. What you want to do is get one of your ignition coils, unhook it, and then pull it on out. The first test we're going to do is called a primary coil resistance test. For this model of ignition coil, my range should be 1.1 ohm to about 1.5 ohm. So if I take my leads, there's two metal tabs in here, one on the left and one on the right. I want to touch my leads to each one and see what it reads. So I'm reading 1.9, which is a little high, but not too bad. Then the second test I'm going to do is called a secondary coil resistance test. So I want to take one lead and touch it on the metal prong. And I want to touch the other lead inside here where the spark plug would be touching. I want to make sure I contact it. So put that one in first. So I feel touch. Then I'll go ahead and touch the prong. And the range on this one should be 8 kiloohms to 13 kiloohms. And you can see I'm reading about 11.63 kiloohms. So those also are in spec. Now if they're out of spec, it'll probably read open, where you won't get a reading at all. You know it'd be bad at that point, you need to change it out. If there's any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If not, leave a thumbs up. Thanks.